Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and what we're doing today is part 2 of the all-purpose cleaner from Meguiars, and we're going to go from the engine bay to the interior. I want to see what it does to the ceiling here, because as you can see it is a bit it's probably never been cleaned in its whole life of 20 years. So now we're going to chuck a bit of the all-purpose cleaner on it and see if it makes any difference whatsoever. Right then, I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but basically I've just done the passenger side and the driver's side, and you can sort of just see that line going down the middle where we've got the passenger side half here and the driver's side half here. So we can see that it actually has done something. And exactly, if you look at the back, I haven't done the back yet, so I can happily confirm that it works on roof felt pretty well. So that's another tick list. So far we've got engines and roof lining that it works really well. But anyway, I'm going to get on with cleaning the rest of this, and I've also got some mucky sun visors, so I'll probably do that as well. So I've basically done where I can reach from my driver's seat, and as we can see, that's the passenger side and the driver's side. Really massive difference. It's basically spotless. But now I'm going to jump in the back seats and finish the rest off. Now, I think some of you may or may not know about these little Fiestas is that you cannot have a tall person in the back. I'm slouching down at the minute. If I was to sit up straight, my head is just, it's touching the ceiling. And yeah, this isn't very nice when going over bumps. But these cars were not designed for tall people in the back. That's sort of like sitting up as I normally would, with a bit of a, yeah, head on the roof edge. Anyway, let's get cleaning this. Right then, that is pretty much all of the roof liner done. Just as a quick first going over, I think I could probably make it better if I went over again, but I'll probably do that another time, because it absolutely wrecks your arms, because you got to go up like that, and yeah, it's not very nice on your shoulders and that. But my god, what a turnout. Obviously these are the bits where I'm saying you could probably go over again. If you can point right, yeah, these bits, as you can see, like the lighter bits and the lighter patches. I mean, more than anything, they're just bits that need to dry a bit more as well. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think it looks a load better than what it did before. Right then guys, so that is it for the another video on the all-purpose cleaner. Did really well on the roof lining. Probably will do a few more videos, trying out a few different things. Eventually I will be seeing how it performs on the paint of the car. It's quite a risky one. I don't think it will damage it, but you know, you never know with these products. But I probably will get around to doing that at some point. But yeah, so far so good. Second thing I've tested it on, it's good on engines and roofliners so far. So until the next time guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. Until the next time, peace.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaz919 here.